Who wants to be a CASPER cryptocurrency millionaire? A $1 million positive balance investing in CASPER crypto. Guys, welcome to the channel. We are going to take a look at the numbers today, what it takes, how much you need to invest, the price it needs to go to have a $1 million CASPER cryptocurrency account. Over on the right-hand side, we are going to kick this off. We have a couple columns here. We did a video like this going back a while. This will be an updated video. We also have a couple things new in this video to share at the bottom of our screen. But first, we'll get back to that. So kicking this video off, guys, let's look at what the current CASPER trading price is as of this morning, the 27th of February. So our current price as of recording is 0.3890. So almost at 4 cents, but not quite. So guys, if you invested $1,250 today at our 389 price, that gets you 32,133.68 CASPER tokens. You would need CASPER to head up to $31.12, and you would have a $1 million account. Let's say you are willing to put in some more money. Let's call it $5,000. Let's take a leap up to the $5,000 mark. You're going to cut a check for $5,000. You're going to get $128,534.70 CASPER tokens. You only need, and I say only because it's not that much more of an investment, you need a $7.78 priced CASPER to have a $1 million account. 5,000 into 1 million. You need the price to go from 3.8 up to 7.78 to have a $1 million CASPER cryptocurrency. Some of you have bigger bags than that. Some of you can only dream of that. All I can say is set goals, set big goals, and work towards them. You would be surprised. You might surprise yourself what you can achieve. Let's scale it up a bit, guys. Let's jump up to, let's call it $15,000. You have $15,000 you are waiting to invest, and you decide that the 3.890 price is the right price for you. That gets you 385,604.11 CASPER crypto tokens. 385,000. In order to turn your $15,000 into 1 million, you would need CASPER to rocket up to $2.59. Wow. Pretty incredible. 15 into 1 mil. You only need a $2.59 CASPER. $15 is a very large investment, especially into one token, one crypto, or even one stock. But for some people, they have more means than others, so that might not be that much. Still, pretty big position, in my opinion. Let's say you have way more money than that. You got $150,000, and you decide today's the day. Today's price, 38.90, is the price you're willing to head into CASPER. That gets you 3.856 million shares of CASPER token. 3856041.13. That is a lot. A lot. You need a 26-cent CASPER. 26 cents. If you're willing to put in $150,000, you need a 26-cent CASPER. That's it. $1 million positive balance. So, according to this data sheet right here, guys, you can kind of fill in the blank. You can kind of see where you are according to this. where you stand, how many shares, the dollar amount, and where you need the price to go to have a $1 million account. Maybe you are above our upper range here. Maybe you're above the $150,000 or the $250,000. That's a lot of money. Maybe you're below. Maybe you're below $1,250. You don't even hold 32,133 CASPER shares. Don't get down on yourself. Any investment shows the commitment you're making to, for this example would be CASPER. Not everybody is even willing to put in any money into a cryptocurrency or a stock. So you should be proud of yourself for taking that leap, making that decision, and acting on it. It's very important. It can lead to a whole string of changes throughout your finances and your investment life. So be proud of that. Don't worry about what somebody else is doing. Just you set goals for yourself, work towards them, and that's where you want to be, in my opinion, of course. So using this scale, you can kind of fit yourself in between here. Maybe you are. So as we head lower here into this spreadsheet, the investment amount, it's roughly $5,800. So you'll kind of know. We'll come back to that. Maybe you have $3,000. Maybe you only have $500. That's all fine. Everybody can be a part of this big game, this big investment here, this big cryptocurrency market. Maybe you don't need $1 million. Maybe you only need a couple $1,000s to change your life. Everybody's scenario is different. Let's head down, guys, to the lower part of this spreadsheet here, and I want to show you a couple things. So I have a couple columns written out here with all the numbers filled in. So I have shares, price, the account value, a 4% return, weekly, monthly, and daily columns. So we took 150,000 shares, which would roughly be about $5,800 at our current price as of today, which is right around $38.90. And then moving to the right, so if CASPER went up to 10 cents, we would have a $15,000 account value. So your account is roughly about $5,800 today, would be about $15,000 if we went up to 10 cents. Let's say you took your profits, you put your $15,000 into a 4% return account. Keep in mind, guys, not taxes included in this. Everybody's tax situation is different. You would get roughly $600 per year at a 4% return. So the reason why I used 4% is because the Vanguard money market, so if you just moved your $15,000 into a money market account, you'd be getting right around $600 a year in interest. That equates to $11.54 a week. That would be $50 a month, and you'd be earning $1.64 a day, 7 days a week, passive. Reason why I built this spreadsheet, I wanted to show you what the passive income potential is depending on the amount of money you park in a 4% return account. You can get much higher than 4% if you're willing to take more risk. You can get lower than 4%. I use 4% here because I did a video on the Vanguard money market account not too long ago. VMFXX is the ticker symbol. So let's head down a bit. Maybe you have your eyes set on a higher CASPER cryptocurrency target. I totally understand that. Let's head down to the 50 cent level. You have $5,800 in CASPER, 150,000 shares. CASPER goes up to 50 cents. Your account is now worth a whopping $75,000. It's a lot of money, guys. 75 grand. Your 4% return would be $3,000 a year in interest in passive income. That would be 57, let's see here, 57 $69 a week, $250 a month, or $8.22 every day, even on Sundays, 7 days a week. Let's ramp things up a bit here, guys. Let's get into that dollar range. Check out this one right here. We have an $8 CASPER price at 150,000 shares. You are a CASPER millionaire. You have $1.2 million in your account. $1.2 million. You park that over in a 4% return account. Call it the Vanguard Money Market account. There's many accounts like that. You don't have to use Vanguard, of course. That gets you $48,120 in passive income before taxes. Rates fluctuate. That number will change. But for video examples, we're using 4%. That would be $925 a week passive without you having to do anything besides tie up your 1.2 mil in a money market. $4,000 a month, $131.84 every single day. Whether you sleep in or get up early, $131.84 every single day. $60 CASPER cryptocurrency. $9 million. $9 million in your account is beyond life-changing. $360,000 a year in passive income, that 4% return. $69.23 a month, or that would be a week. Excuse me, a week. $6,900 a week, $30,000 a month, $986.30 every single day, even on Sundays. So guys, here's the numbers. Here is a $150,000 bag of CASPER, which is right around $5,800 at today's 3.8 price. Here's the returns. Here's what your account would be worth if CASPER got to X price, and what your passive income potential could be at 4%. That's the numbers. The numbers don't lie. So this could be a good gauge to show you, where you're at, maybe where you want to be moving forward, and some goals that you might want to achieve. So guys, hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Set goals, set really big goals, break them down into smaller steps and work towards them. You might just surprise yourself what is possible out there. Okay? You guys take care. This is not financial advice, pure entertainment. If you guys like this video, you want to see more videos like this, I can show you guys how to build these spreadsheets. They're not complicated. Anybody can do them. By the way, this is a free Google spreadsheet. You don't need a paid service to get this. It's very easy. All right, guys. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the subs, everybody watching these videos. If it wasn't for you guys, would not be growing here on the YouTube community. Have a great Monday. We'll catch you guys in the next video.